This is a related rates problem having to do with a cylindrical pot. A pot with a radius of 3 1/4 inches is filled with water to a height of 2 inches. The water is boiling and the volume is decreasing by 1/4 cubic inches per minute as the water evaporates. Find change in height over time and find the height after 3 minutes. So the first step is to dissect the problem and figure out your equation, your givens, and finds. Since it's dealing with volume of a cylinder, your equation is volume equals pi r squared times height. Your givens are that the radius equals 13/4 inches, the height is 2 inches, and the change in volume over time is negative 1/4 cubic inches per minute. And then you look at your finds, which are change in height over time and height after 3 minutes. Your first step is to plug in your givens. R is constant, so volume equals pi r squared h, means that pi is being multiplied by 13/4 squared times height. And then you can simplify that by saying 169 pi over 16 times height. Then you can change it to a related rates problem by saying the change in volume over time is 169 pi over 16 times the change in height over time. And then you can plug in your change in volume over time, which is negative 1/4 cubic inches per minute. And then you get change in height over time alone by multiplying 16 over 169 pi to both sides. And getting rid of it on the other side. And you end up with change in height over time equals negative 4 over 169 pi inches per minute. And then, after that, you take your initial height, which is 2, and then add time times change in height over time, and you get your final height. So you plug in 2 to your initial height, plug in 3 for your time, and plug in negative 4 over 169 pi equals final height, and then you solve, and you get 2 minus 12 over 169 pi, and that is your final height. Inches. Voila!